manufacturing and power apps. The perfect combination to drive efficiency. In the dynamic world of manufacturing, efficiency, productivity, and adaptability are key to success. With innovative applications of Power Apps, you can solve challenges and discover opportunities. Manufacturers face numerous challenges every day, from inefficient paper-based processes, time-consuming manual tasks to data silos. These challenges result in increased time to market, higher production costs, and missed opportunities for growth. What is Microsoft Power Apps and how does it help? Microsoft Power Apps is a low-code, no-code app development platform, part of the Microsoft Power Platform family. It allows you to build highly effective business applications without extensive coding knowledge. Power Apps can revolutionize your manufacturing operations. You can create custom apps to streamline processes. Inventory management becomes a breeze, as managers can easily update stock levels, request restocks, and track orders in real time. Get access to real-time data at your fingertips that helps you to make informed decisions and improve overall efficiency. Quality control becomes effortless and error-free with mobile apps that allow for instant reporting and analysis. Why Power Apps? But how can manufacturers harness the potential of Power Apps? This is where you need solutions from Evolvous. Customized solutions. Streamlined processes. Access to real-time data. Scalability and flexibility. Adaptability. Why partner with Evolvous? Evolvous is a certified Microsoft Gold partner, offering comprehensive solutions to develop custom applications with Microsoft Power Apps. Here is how we help. Complete needs assessment. Custom app development. Integration with Microsoft 365 and other applications. App migration. Training and support. Our clients from the manufacturing industry. Discover the smarter way to manage manufacturing. Contact us. Evolvous, evolving with a purpose.